Hey, what's good, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Orphe, and today I'm going to take you behind the scenes. I'm going to show you how we shot these images, but also how I directed the model. Anna is trying to get into the industry and she's building her portfolio, and that's what we're doing today. So that means we're probably going to have more photo shoots on this channel with her so you can see the whole process. All right, stick around and see you on the other side. Peace. So we're gonna do a quick shoot and testing a few things. And yeah, I already love this here. Yeah, and we're gonna see. And this is the second time shooting with Anna, and it's gonna be good.
It is.
Yeah, it's already good. So I'm gonna start like this, but I feel like at one point you might need to remove your shoes if you're comfortable, just to make sure like we have, you know, I don't know. I feel like with the, yes. All right. Let me
Let me know when you want me to do the tree thing, okay?
yes, cool. So the way you can do it, one of the things you can do, can you cross your, yes, so very feminine. Bring your, I love the way you do the hair, by the way, or whoever did it. Yes. Can you try to, yes, please. Put it one side so we can see, yes, exactly, yes. Yeah, like this. And you have some hair like on the shoulder, on this, bring it on the other side. So I want to see your shoulder a little bit. Yes, perfect. Yeah. So let me bring my, all right, I love this. Yes. Yeah, perfect. I love this. Now, good. So now the way I'm thinking about it is just a question of remember what we say, like that's like have lines in the sense that you have your body, because when you stay like this, it's good. We're still gonna have beautiful poses, but when you, for example, put your hands up, it creates lines, so it makes the photo more interesting. And even for yourself, it gives you dimension in a sense. So you can go closer to the tree and have your hand. Yes.
Like whatever.
Yes. Yeah, exactly. Yes. Voila. Yes.
Do you want me to put it on this side?
Yes, on that side. Yeah, please. Let's do this. C'est bon?
You look gorgeous.
Good. Coming in. Yes. Perfect. Now. Okay, sorry. Sorry for all us, because so the way you got to see it is be sensual, not sexual.
Okay.
Do you get what I'm saying?
Yeah.
So so it's always a question of, because when you're sensual, it elevates your persona.
Okay.
But when you go more to, say, you have poses like this, I might go, like you said, with one arm, for example, and have one arm on the shoulder, or yes, exactly. Voila.
Wait, here or like here?
Like this. Okay. Yes. Stay like this. Yes. Nice. Now, I want to see, more. Yes, perfect. Chin up a little. Yes. Hair on, yes. Yeah, I love it. Perfect. Nice. Yes, stay like this. I love it. I love it. Perfect. Nice, nice. Yes. Oh man. Oh yes, 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 yes. All right.
Oh my
Yeah, we
god.
have stuff like this.
Those are so fun.
Yeah, they're very good.
I love this background.
Yeah, me too. I really love the fact that. Yeah.
It's a lot of fun. Aww.
So you see, so we can. Okay.
Oh, love this. Wow.
So you see the difference between
The first, yeah.
the first and we're going like this. It's a little bit. Yeah. All right.
I see the difference.
You see the difference? All right. Can you go back into, if you can go inside, please. Oh, wait. More like this. More like, yes, more like that. Yes, please. All right, right. So now, come here, please. Right there, yes. So, do you mind stepping
No?
here? Okay, yeah. Sorry. Go here. Yes, please. Are you Brazilian too?
Yes.
Oh, okay. Because I heard you guys. Yeah.
Good.
Come a little bit this way. Yeah, not too much. Yeah, perfect. Love it.
The hair is good. Let me.
Yeah. Okay, good. Yeah, no problem.
Does it look okay?
Yes. So now look in the camera. Yeah, perfect. Like this. Now, so now stay like that. Yeah, it's really hot. All right, yes. Love it. Can you come out just a little bit more? Okay, perfect. Yes, please. Yes. So now, do you mind bringing down just a little bit? Yeah, just a little bit. Okay, perfect. Are you good? Yeah, you're good. All right, good. All right. So now,
Is it straight?
yeah. The way you're gonna position your body, you have to give it some curves. So if you put, I don't know how you guys. Yes, perfect. Yes, perfect. All right, good. All right, yes.
I think I'm just gonna put this like.
Back? Okay, yes, perfect. Okay, yes. Yeah, yes. Voila. Perfect. Yes, I love that hand like this. Yes. All right. Yes. So now chin up a little. Yes, perfect. Yes, perfect. Oh, yes. Yeah. I love that. I love this. Okay, wait. Yes, don't move. All right. Right. Yes. All right. Yes. Perfect. Yeah, perfect. Chin up a little bit. Nice, perfect. Stay like that. So, what I love, stay like this. You see, like the way you're arcing your body. Just give me a little bit more. It's like the way you're going down a little bit. Yes, perfect. And you have that here and perfect. Yes. Now just put it down completely. Yes. Perfect. Yes. 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 Now perfect. Chin up a little, please. Yes. Oh my. Yeah. Yes. You my. Yes, I love this. Yeah. More up. Yeah. Perfect. Yeah. Yes. Now, like, stay like this. Now, let me Yes. Chin up a little. Perfect. All right. Now stay like this. Yes. Yeah. Yeah. Now look at me straight. Yes. Perfect. Oh, no, look at me that way. Fix your hair so it can go. Yes. Completely. And now. Love this. Yes. Chin down a little bit, please. Nice. More up a little bit. Oh man, this is whoo smoky. All right. Do you want to see or what? Huh? Do you want to see?
Oh my God, Orby.
That looks so good.
Do you?
Let me go.
Yeah. Go.
Oh
That
my
does
God.
look tropical. Like that gives like
Yeah.
Oh,
my
my
God.
God. Bro, you're literally so talented.
So
like,
talented.
Thank you.
That looks like
Wow.
a
Yes,
magazine.
you coming. All right.
Magazine cover. I gotta get choked.
All right.
I'm obsessed.
Oh my God. And
Yes.
oh,
You
the
see?
laughing was cute.
Oh my God. Oh my.
Ah!